Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning everyone. Today with me Cikgu Sahid in English class, Sound of Letters Part 3. Let's start. Our objective at the end of the lesson, pupil can recognize the letters of alphabet and pupil can sound out letters of the alphabet. Success criteria: pupils are able to recognize the beginning sound of letters and pupils are able to sound out the beginning letters of the pictures. Okay kids, now can you guess what letters we will learn today? Yes, our first letters for today is C or K. And then U, E, H, and R. So this is 5 letters that we will learn today how to pronounce it. Are you ready? Alright, good everyone. You ready? Sound of C or K. Why C and K stay together? Because both of the letters has a same sound. Okay, how to sound out letter C or K? Make an action like this. Action of flying a kite and say K. Again, action of flying a kite and say K, K, K. So, for example, K, cat. Start with C, right? And then, how about this? K for kangaroo. The same sound like cat. K, cat, K, kangaroo. Again, K, cat, K, kangaroo. Good, well done. Again, cat, K, kangaroo. K. Yes, both of the letters has a same sound, which is K, K, K. Alright, everyone. Can you remember sound of C and K? Yes. K, K. Alright, we go to the next sound. U. How to sound out letter U? Okay, make an action. Look up and say ah, ah. Again, look up and say ah, ah. Okay, for example, ah, umbrella, umbrella. Up, up. Yes, umbrella and up start with U and the sound of umbrella and up is okay. Good, everyone. Do a very good job. Okay, next. Sound of E. How to sound out letter E? Okay, now walk like an elephant and say eh, eh. Again, walk like an elephant and say eh, eh, eh. Elephant, eh, elephant, eh, egg, eh, egg, elephant, egg. So this is the sound of letter E. Okay, we go to the next sound. Sound of H. How to sound out letter H? Okay, there are 2 steps how to sound letter H. First, place your palm in front of your mouth. Place your palm in front of your mouth. Okay, put on your palm in front of your mouth. Ready? And then laugh. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha. So this is how to sound out letter H. Okay, let's see what pictures start with letter H. H, horse. H, horse. And then house, 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 horse, house. All right, very good. And our last sound for today is R. How to sound out letter R. Okay. I want you to be a lion today. Be a lion and say rrr, rrr. Again, be a lion and say rrr. Okay. So, letter R, for example, is rose. Rose. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rose, rabbit. All right. So now time for practice. Okay, let's practice. Can you see all the letters here? Okay, we start with the first one, which is ready. Cat, good. Kangaroo, good. Umbrella. Elephant. Pig. Rabbit. Rose. Horse. House. All right. Again. Cat. Kangaroo. Umbrella. Up. Horse. House. Rose. Rabbit. All right. Well done, kids. All right. So, we'll practice again. Egg. Elephant. Okay. Now, we at the end of our lesson. I hope you know how to sound out our 5 letters that we learned today. And don't forget to complete the task that I will given later. Okay, see you soon, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.